Sakira, come. Sakira. Sakira. Come inside. Bakhtiyar made some people finally do some work. I'm sure he will not pay this guy anything. He will say you was on TV, no? You was on TV, so bas, no? कोई पैसे नहीं दे.
मुझे इतनी खुशी किसी के आने पे कभी नहीं हुई जितनी आपके आने पे हुई है. आ जाओ
शकुरी.
मुझे इस नई बीवी से कोई बचाओ.
नई बीवी से बचाओ. बाप रे, ये घर क्या कबाड़ी खाना हो गया है. मैडम रहते तो ऐसा हो रहता ही नहीं है, नहीं तो सर घर पे ले लेते थे. क्या फ्रिज ऐसा हो गया है. बर्तन देखो कैसा है. 1 मिनट के लिए ऐसा रहेगा तो हमारी मैडम इतनी साफ सफाई वाले है क्या, उनको जरा भी गंदगी पसंद नहीं है. ये बर्तन क्या करूँ.
सिर पे रख मेरे.
बाप रे,
मेरे को चाय दो.
कब कहाँ है आपका. हाँ वो रहने दो अभी.
डीना अपने नए नियम सुनाने को हैं तैयार. अब देखना है कि डीना अपने नए नियम से गरम मिजाज बख्तियार को ठंडा कर पाती हैं कि नहीं.
What I noticed first is your anger. You cannot manage your anger. To help you control your anger, I found for you yoga instructor, and I want you to start your day with the yoga session.
तो योगा करने से it helps my anger to come down.
Yeah, it will cool you down. Or rule number 2, no shouting in front of Zeus. Because you're a father and you're a mature man, you have to understand that he's copying you. He loves you a lot, so give him good example. I want him to watch cartoons not more than 30 minutes a day, and that also should be the kiddie cartoon according to his age. Now regarding the house, you need 24 hours maid who will look after the house. So she will looking after Zeus and look after the house. Well, I want on this weekend do a mega cleaning of this house so we can surprise Tanas.
Mega cleaning?
Yes. So I want 2 carpets. I want carpet for this room, and I want next to your sofa, and I want 1 carpet for Zeus' room, the kiddie one. Any objections? Tell me.
Can you sit for some time?
Yeah, I will.
Yeah. Do yoga for anger management. हाँ, मुझ में ये प्रॉब्लम है, बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स है, लेकिन हर इंसान में होती है और मैं आपका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ. I want to thank you because I am going to a psychiatrist after this show.
I think I also need a treatment after the show, for sure.
No shouting in front of Zeus. Yes, sir, आंखों पे. I agree. Bow down. I will not shout in front of Zeus. I'll try.
Okay.
Okay. Saturday mega cleaning.
Yeah.
You keep your plate on the kitchen faucet and it is dirty with mashed potatoes and you talk about cleaning, darling. Okay, that's good. I love it. I think my house will be clean once you leave the house.
I said I'm not listening to you till you don't put your voice low.
Then shut up.
You
because
shut
I'm
up.
talking.
You
so
shut
I'm
up.
talking because you're trying
Yeah,
to
I will not
you
shut
are
up.
so wrong that you don't want me to talk.
I want you to talk.
Yeah, that's right. This is what your husband did throughout. किसी कमजोर पे करके आना. उस वक्त मैं चुप था क्योंकि मेरी मजबूरी थी. इस वक्त आने दो.
आवाज नीचे.
मेरा घर है.
आवाज नीचे. आवाज.
मेरा घर है. You don't abuse in my house.
Please.
And get the hell out of here.
Please.
Right now.
अब तक आपने देखा 2 सेलिब्रिटी परिवार, विंदु दारा सिंह की पत्नी टीना और तनाज ईरानी में मां एक्सचेंज. जहां एक तरफ तनाज के देर से जागने पर विंदु और तनाज में छिड़ी बहस.
तेरे घर में क्या सिस्टम है?
सिस्टम ये है 8 बजे हम लोग ऑटोमेटिकली उठ जाते हैं क्योंकि दूध वाला बेल.
क्यों नहीं उठती? 6 बेल बजी है.
क्योंकि ये मेरा घर नहीं है.
प्लीज डीना कम बैक फास्ट और ये जल्दी खत्म करो मां एक्सचेंज.
वहीं दूसरी तरफ डीना के नए नियमों को लेकर बख्तियार ने जताई आपत्ति.
Saturday mega cleaning.
Yeah,
You keep your plate on the kitchen faucet and it is dirty with mashed potatoes and you talk about cleaning, darling.
Yeah.
I think my house will be clean once you leave the house.
अब देखिए आगे.
How about that?
Oh wow.
Yes.
That was the best one.
I love it.
Yeah.
2.
Best one.
Carpet, you want new carpet.
I don't want. Your house.
Okay, I don't want.
Why you don't want new carpets?
मेरी मर्जी.
Why?
There are 2 new carpets in his cupboard which you've never checked.
So let's put it. Why it's not
So
mine?
come on, so let's put it.
Let's
कभी
put it.
पूछा? आपने
That's what
कभी
I'm
पूछा?
saying. One second. आवाज नीचे. आवाज नीचे. आवाज नीचे. आवाज.
मेरा घर है.
More.
Yes, baby, it's my house.
More.
You don't abuse in my house.
Please.
And get the hell out of here
Please.
right now. She
Yeah.
will not abuse in my house. Get the hell out of here now.
If you will abuse me, I'll abuse you.
I have not abused you. You told me and this is an
Yeah.
out.
Yeah.
Shut the camera now before I break it. Get out of my house. Get out of my house. No, get out of my house. No. No one will abuse in my house.
नए नियम को लेकर दीना और बख्तियार की तू मैमे ने अचानक एक बड़े झगड़े का रूप ले लिया और हालात बेकाबू होते देख हमारे क्रू को बीच में आना पड़ा। क्या इन दोनों के बीच सुलह हो पाएगी या नहीं, देखते हैं कल।
Let's see some witness. We have Shakira's boiled eggs being put in the basin like this, and we are talking about hygiene in the house. Besides that, you gave my son cabbage and dahi to eat. Zia's had
I gave him spaghetti bolognese, fresh, made by me.
Arey, that was in the evening.
No, I told
This is
you.
in the afternoon.
No.
This is in the afternoon spaghetti bolognese. Evening.
One second. आवाज नीचे.
Then shut up.
You
because
shut
I'm
up.
talking.
You
so
shut
I'm
up.
talking because you're trying
Yeah,
to
I
interrupt
will
because you're
not-
lying.
I will not
You
shut
are
up.
so wrong that you don't want me to talk.
I want you to talk.
Yeah, that's why.
I
This
want
is
you
what
to-
your husband did throughout. किसी कमजोर पे करके आना, उस वक्त मैं चुप था क्योंकि मेरी मजबूरी थी। इस वक्त आने दो।
You're cheap.
If you call me cheap, I will call you dumb.
एक गिरोह जो कर रहा है बच्चों का सौदा,
एक एक बच्चे का 10 लाख।
अपराधियों के चक्रव्यूह में घुसकर क्या इन